Okay, so it's as of now it's not there at hand. Okay, okay, because okay, so because I've asked for multiple times, maybe it's misplaced, so maybe we can get a noise pollution register. And what do we do, sir, about this? Like we say there is a complaint, but you know it is not registered. We just want.
पोलीस स्टेशनार नहीं करा की वडील नोटी घेतात म्हाका करा स्मॉल वाला म्हाका विचारले घरी तर हांव भायर वचोंक ना घरा करना कितें म्हाका खबर ना हांव तर गेलो जाल्यार म्हाका भंय दिसता भंय कित्याक दिसता ते ट्रॅक करतात आमकां सुरक्षा ना I feel that they will beat me, they will smash me.
तसं विनाकारण कोण मारणार
we had given complaint.
Mouses are used.
आम्ही दिला.
We have given the complaint.
Sir, we are very we know that police station will protect us.
That's why we come to you.
That's why we are coming here. We are not going anywhere.
आम्ही किती ऍक्शन घेतात तुम्ही काय घेवपाचे ना
मेन म्हणटा ते सर इवन बिफोर 10 ते डेसिमल मशीन एडजस्ट सो आमकां जे त्रास जाताले तांकां खुशी घेवन कितें फायदो इतल्या लोकांक हांव एकलो आसता कितले सगळे भुरगीं खूब पेरंट्स आनी तांची भुरगीं आहा
Sir, I think before you coming here, you must have been updated about this issue. We just want to know now, we have this order from 10th of June also. Now, how do we this? Because now see, even the court date has, we are hopeful with it. We understand you also joined here, you have other responsibilities as well, not just noise pollution. But how do we approach this, sir? Because this will happen again after 2 days. We don't want to come and disturb you also.
Yes.
Or if, sir, if you feel that we don't, now see we got this order, that's why we came here. If we didn't get it, we would actually have been hopelessly on Amcha Adara purpose. So,
किती ऍक्शन घेवपाक ते आमी घेतले आनी तूं तुवें जे सांगला पळय ते भिरांत दिसता सो कांय भिवपाचें ना आमी हा
खरें न्ही सर आमी नॉट हें तुका सांगूंक जाय म्हणून आमकां जेन्ना आमी हांगा येतात न्हय आयचे उलयना तुका पाटले उलयता भायर हांगासर भोंवून रावतात फॉलो करतात ते बसत आमी सांगूंक जायना कित्याक आतां समज म्हाका मारलो जाल्यार म्हाज्या भुरग्यांक पळयतलो कोण ती तकलीन गेल्ले आतां भुरगीं भायर सरलो देडा म्हणटा वचना काय
म्हाका म्हणटात दाडा मामा बरोबर वच
वचून पडटा
कित्याक भुरगीं सारकीं भियेल्यात म्हणटात दाडा तूं वेताय थंयसर पुलिसांची
शॉपार बसून
कोर्टाचेर
दिसाची जाल्यार म्हाका तेचे भायर वच म्हणटा
म्हाका सगळ्याक भोंवचो पडटा ताजे बरोबर कित्याक ते म्हणटात दाडाक मारतले आमचो.
and sir, I think one issue that has come up after we had the 4 days, the very next day only one of the women and this person had gone to their house and you just said
We have given this complaint.
yeah, we've given this complaint. We
Knock
just want
on
to
the
know
door.
what has been taken. You said that you will do something, but we want to know what is the update on this because this is a woman. Now he is threatening, he is going and visiting her place and in dark. Now even the court, even the police, I think so after 6 p.m. after sunset, I think so this was it. You cannot vote, unless it is very serious and there should be a woman in it. Now this man has the audacity to go to her
Knock on
home.
the door.
This person has, what can we do now about this? And if this is the case that is happening, even if someone tells us, okay, we will deal with it, what can we do?
21st
Yeah, this was after, and this was just when, see, we understand you have not been maybe aware of this, but yes, please, sir, please. Thank you. So this is our note copy.
आधी फोटो मारायचो
So this issue is from Anjuna Gawad. Now that is from Vagadam Anjuna. Anjuna, in the residential area there are 2 clubs. One is not a club, it's a hostel. So and Diaz is a club. Now we have complained many times about it. Like this is the second complaint in this week only about the traffic haphazardly because of the parties. Yes. So Diaz. So please take an action. So I'm just updating you since you are new here regarding this club. Yes.
Okay.
आता दिल्या
ही आता मी दिले
दोन दिवस पहिली दिला त्याच्या पहिली एक महिना पहिली दिला
like right now. Then what we will be forwarding to police station.
Although they said that no parties are going to be happening, but parties start at that venue after 11 o'clock. And first of all, there is no road is congested. There are houses up and down. People who are going to the parties don't want to go up and park. They want easy convenience. Park on the road and go. So then, but that's a busy road. You must have visited that place in your petrol. In the morning by 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, in the night, right after morning, the full road is blocked up to the radius of 1 to 2 kilometers. And then add to that, vehicles honking, buses honking. You don't get sleep in the night.
We also place like these are the hotspots like Bhagat or Nowadi. These are like so many times we have complained about this area. So we was like to deploy. Deploy some people so that we don't come again and again to the police station. And like
And it's not very Bhagatar, sir. It's all
not
Anjuna.
safe. Full of certain places are
not
hotspot.
care about the people.
Anjuna Beach, Bhagatar Beach. That's a residential area, like the midpoint in Anjuna. These are all hotspots for the clubs and restaurants. So see that somebody is deployed there.
So, पुढचं लोकांक कितें सांग एश्युरन्स
लोकांक एश्युरन्स म्हणजे आतां हांवें ताका पयलींच सांगलां की कितें आहा तें कायदेशीर एक्शन जातलें.
So far the problem has been after we complain, the van also comes, then they say there is no sound. For 5-10 minutes the sound is reduced. When we go back, the music starts again. So we need the department to take action to file cases, and if required, the act actually says you can confiscate equipment also. Follow-up action has to be taken because this is a very common thing. Even if the van comes, the PCR van comes, for 10-15 minutes they reduce the sound, and then they say okay, sound has been reduced, everybody goes back and they start blasting the area. We would like to see some action being taken in this matter.
So just one more thing, that last time Divansky sir had come, he had said he's got licenses of 13 venues. So maybe we can just do that, that till when a memorandum has been out that once they have to install the monitoring systems within 1 month. So can we stop this and let them start when they have license? Because see, if the traffic says they will stop someone if they don't have license, they will not allow them to drive. So now, if y'all are the end authority, do you feel it is in your authority to make them stop or not? Regarding that they don't have licenses and they are allowed to operate. I'm not talking about consent to operate, I'm talking about any other licenses of any other kind. Not just CPO, because the court has this time even said that only once they have the licenses only then CPO to be given. So whom do we reach to so that next time, sir, we don't have to come at your doorstep and irritate you, annoy you. Maybe we can go somewhere. Because we don't want to pressurize your senior system. So will you be responsible for... Okay, because Deputy SP sir had said 13 licenses, so... Yeah. Okay, see, we will now end it because sir has given us his assurance that he is here. We are very hopeful that something new will change. So we only want to say let the businesses continue, let them.
We want our village.
Yeah, that's it.
Village life.
Okay. All of us with folded hands, we are requesting you.
Yes, please, sir.
See, this is our only request. Only sleep. We will also stop offering you. Okay.
Nothing else we are asking. Only sleep. It's hours.
Yeah. Okay.
And as per law, sir, as per law.
Yeah, we don't want any specific action on one, venue or something also. Okay. We won't take much of your time also. Thank you so much for just a
Thank you, sir.
welcome.
The last question. What the new PI told
We
you?
will continue out because yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir, for giving us the space and time to. Thank you.
Yes. Okay.
We just step out.
Yeah, only the last one. ओके आता तुम्ही PI मेवल्या तुमचो 4 दीस प्रोटेस्ट जाल्लो आयज तुमचो 5वो दीस 5th डे ओके कितें एश्युरन्स जाता तुमकां PI सद्या दिला रिगार्डिंग द साउंड पोल्यूशन एंड ऑल
Okay, so how much ever we understood is that from the letters we have got, thanks to Jude, that the police is supposed to take action. we are also allowing time because the PI has recently joined. We cannot pressurize him also to take stringent action. So today we are leaving peacefully. Even otherwise we would leave peacefully only. But we are very hopeful that a new PI brings in a new change. We don't have anything against PI Paresh, but it was difficult perhaps for him to maintain 2 police stations at the same time. So we understand that. We understand the shortcomings that departments face. So we are hopeful that the courts and the authorities will grant us some relief so that we can sleep for continued duration. And like we have questioned, where is the noise pollution register, and where is the, if a complaint was made, was there an FIR registered? All these, we have a lot of questions, but we don't know, it's not that we don't have answers, it's that we don't know whom to ask. Because the only way we can ask is through an RTI. But the problem is, once we get the RTI reply, what do we do with that reply? Do we all have to individually run to the court? Do we all have to seek only judicial help and no other help from administration, like it was said before? This is a very desperate situation, because of which all of us have come here. Even though it's raining, there are people who have come here on bikes. Amidst there was heavy rain here. So we implore each one of you all to please spread this. Help us find a solution if you can. And like some businessmen have said that it's only a matter of investment of a certain amount. So please put up your indoors thing if it is actually indoors, and not the same as clubs guised under the banner of restaurant and bar. Yes. I mean, these are all things. There are so many loopholes. Okay, so thank you. We have some more people who want to share, but thank you very much to the media. Thank you so much for coming here on such short notice, and thank you everyone for being here. Thank you everyone for being a part of this, and thank you to everyone, authorities who can take action in the future. I'm thanking you in advance, and hoping that you hear our voices. To Goans, Inga, Goyan, आणि बाहेर होई तुम्ही हा प्लीज आमच्या आधाराक पाव.
Thank you, media.